All right, first reveal of the flip is up. It's the outside of the house. If you remember and you've been following along this whole time, oh my gosh, it was rough. All the soffits were shot. There were vents that were like caved in, and you could see like animals and critters crawling from inside the crawl space or above the garage onto a tree outside of the house. It was rough. It was gross. Windows, gutters, everything. So we did a lot. We got new gutters. We got a new roof. We painted all of the shutters. We painted the house, replaced the front door, painted the front door, and replaced all the soffits. Of course, we also did some landscaping because it really needed that if you remember what the backyard looked like. So here's the front of the house. There's a ton more to still come, so stay tuned. So what did you think of the outside of the house? I swear it looks so good in person. I don't have any footage of it up close, so I will get that when I swing by there tomorrow. It just needed so much work. And the paint obviously is what you notice, but it's the little things like the gutters and the soffits that in person, it's like, wow, it looks so good. So much better, such an improvement. The inside though is obviously where it really needed some love. If you remember, it was like, it smelled, there was stains everywhere on the walls, on the floor. It was terrible. And the inside now, you can't even recognize this house. So I will post the inside of the house tomorrow. So stay tuned for that.